So guys, we are back again about understanding the React return method, stuff like that. So what we'll be doing now is very simple. Let's try to run the terminal. So right here, based on the last one we did, so click on this icon, come to terminal, new terminal, and we have our terminal up and running. So right here, let's select what we have. Alright, now so let's run the application now. So we use the word cd hello, that select the folder that has the application. Then we use npm start to start the application. Just like that, is up and running. It's coming up. Alright, so we have it like this now. You can see it's on the browser already. So what we need to do now is to go back to the VS Code. So right here we need to explain to ourselves the function of the return method within the function app that we have here, because very soon under component we also explain what the return method is all about. So right here, very quickly, what I'm going to do now is to show us what the return does. So now I will delete everything I have here off, then Ctrl S to save. It's compiling now. So we can see from the terminal that there are some errors right here. See two errors. So now let's see on the browser. Let's see. Now also on the browser we can see that there are errors too on the browser too. So there are errors here. So why is the error? Because the return statement or the return method can only return a single HTML element at a time. For example, now once I put any element of HTML right here and I save, the error will clear off. Let's see. So you can see that it was successful. No more errors again. So let's go back now. That's it. No errors. Okay. Now, what do I mean by displaying a single element at a time? For example, if I have several elements, p tag, okay, and I have another h tag right here. So let us write something here, just random stuffs for now. Okay, so once I save, you can see that we're going to have an error at the terminal because it is saying here that adjacent JSX element must be wrapped in an enclosing tag. Do you want a JSX framework? That is, it is saying that it needs a container that will serve as a wrapper to hold every other element. Because even at the browser now, we can see that it's showing us the same errors again. So what we need to do now is to wrap the remaining tags or the remaining elements into the previous one. So right now we can place them here, you can save, and the errors will be cleared. So let's go back to the browser. So this is what you need to understand about the return method within React. It can only display one HTML element at a go. So please try to ask your questions in the comment section and do subscribe.